Ever wondered how creators are making two AI characters have realistic conversations that look like scenes from a movie? The best part is you can do it yourself in just a few minutes using Hedra AI. In this video, I'll show you the complete process, from logging in to generating your first two character conversation. First, open the Hedra AI website in your browser. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up. You can register using your Google account or email address. If you've already created an account, simply click Login and enter your details. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're ready to start creating. Now click Create New Project. Depending on the latest version of Hedra AI, choose the option that allows you to create or animate AI characters. Select two different characters from the available options, or upload your own character's images if that feature is available in your account. Next comes the most important part, the dialogue. Write a natural conversation instead of short, robotic sentences. For example, let one character ask a question and let the second character respond naturally. The more realistic your script is, the better your final video will sound and feel. After writing the dialogue, choose a voice for each character. Pick voices that match their personality. You can also adjust the speaking speed, emotion, or tone if those settings are available. Using different voices makes the conversation much more engaging. Now customize your video. Add facial expressions, camera movement, or animation settings if your plan supports those features. Before generating the final video, always preview everything to make sure the dialogue flows smoothly and there are no spelling mistakes. Once you're happy with the setup, click Generate. The AI will process your project, which may take a few minutes depending on the server load. When it's finished, preview the result. If something doesn't sound right, edit the dialogue or switch the voices and generate again. Small changes can make a huge difference. And that's it. You've just learned how to make two characters talk in Hedra AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.